Hello, beautiful soul. This is Debalina, and welcome to this guided meditation for reducing stress and clearing mental clutter. First of all, thank you for giving yourself this time, for giving yourself these minutes. This time are just for you. This time is to slow down, to breathe, and to reset. And the more regularly you practice this meditation, the more your mind and body will learn how to relax easily. And over time, this will begin to feel more natural. It will feel like a familiar, safe place where you can return whenever you need to. Just keep in mind that there is no perfect way to meditate. Your mind may wander while you are meditating. You may notice that your thoughts are coming and going, and that's absolutely fine. You are not doing anything wrong. You are just simply practicing it. So just be patient and gentle with yourself. Turn off all your distractions, put your phone on silent, find a comfortable sitting position. You can sit or lie down, whatever is comfortable for your body. Let your hands rest softly. Now when you are ready, take a deep breath and close your beautiful eyes. Keep your eyes closed until I ask you to open it again. Now bring your awareness to your breath. We will now slowly inhale with the count of 4 and will exhale a gentle count of 6. So the exhale will be slightly longer than the inhale. And as you will breathe out when you will exhale, you will imagine as if you are exhaling all the tensions, the physical tension, emotional stress, mental noises, everything is leaving your body. So let's begin. We'll inhale for the count of 4 and exhale for the count of 6. Follow my instructions. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel that with every exhale, your body softens just a little more. One more time. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly allow again your breathing to return to its own natural rhythm. Now just simply watch your breathing. Notice that you can't breathe your yesterday's breath, that is, breathe from your past. You can't breathe your tomorrow's breath, that is, the future breathing. Breathe is only thing that happens right now. So every time you notice your breathing, you are gently returning to the present moment. And this is the beauty of meditation. Now at this phase, thoughts may still float through the mind. That's absolutely fine. That's okay. When you notice a thought, don't fight it. Don't judge it. Just silently level it in your mind as thinking, and then kindly escort your awareness back to the breath. One more time, inhale. Follow your breathing. Exhale slowly. Your breath is your anchor. This is your gentle way of coming home to yourself, especially in the moments of stress. So now your breathing is more stable. It's time to bring your attention to your body. Imagine you are giving your body a simple instruction that it's safe to relax now. So now we will do a part by part body relaxation. Bring your focus, attention at the top of your head. Bring your all focus, concentration on your skull. Feel the tension, ligament pressure inside your skull, inside the breast. Feel the ligament pressure, the tension inside the skull, inside your brain. Now if you want to feel it more deeply, you can create the tension. You can feel that as if everything inside your brain is getting squeezed. Feel everything is getting squeezed. Feel the tension inside your brain. Now release and relax. Feel the flow of relaxation is moving down. Concentrate on your forehead, on your eyes, on your cheeks, nose, lips. Feel the tension, the ligament pressure at these parts of your body. If you want, you can create the tension. Feel as if everything inside these parts of your body are getting squeezed. Create the tension. Feel it. Now release and relax. Now feel the flow of relaxation is moving down to your throat now. Feel that pressure, the tension at this part. If you want, you can squeeze everything. Feel as if everything inside your throat is getting squeezed. Now release and relax. Feel the flow of relaxation is moving down to your shoulders now. Feel the tension, the extreme burden on your shoulders. Feel the ligament pressure at this part of your body. Now release and relax. Feel the flow of relaxation in your back. Feel the tension, ligament pressure throughout your spinal cord. Now release and relax. Now feel the tension, ligament pressure exactly at the center of your chest. Feel how your heart is pumping. Feel as if everything there is getting squeezed. Feel the tension, the ligament pressure at this part of your body. Now release and relax. Feel as if your heart is now completely relaxed. Now concentrate on your abdomen. Feel the ligament pressure, the tightness at this part of your body. Feel as if everything inside your abdomen is getting squeezed. Feel the tightness at your core. Release and relax. Now concentrate on your thighs, on the knees, on the calf muscle, on your feet, that is on your entire leg. Feel the ligament pressure, the tension at every part of this body. Feel everything in these legs are getting squeezed. Feel the pressure, the ligament pressure, the tension. Release and relax. Your entire body is now completely relaxed. Feel as if such a beautiful flow of relaxation is flowing through your entire body from top to toe. Feel as if you are spreading a message to your entire body that you can let go all the tension, stress, everything that you were holding for so long. It's time for you to rest, to rejuvenate. If you do the practice up to this part, it will instantly give you such a relaxation from stress. In a moment, we are now going to apply the stress management technique. Now, to make the most of this exercise, recall a time when you felt really stressful. When it was the last time you felt extremely stressful? What comes to your mind? What was the situation? But there with you. Exactly what has happened. Feel that your body is shifting internally into that situation. Feel as if you are living that situation right now. Relive that situation. Feel everything that has happened in that stressful moment. Now try to feel that exactly where in your body you can feel the first sign of stress. Is it that you are feeling something in your belly? Or you feel the first sign of stress in your head as an headache? Or you feel the first sign of stress at the center of your chest, as if something started feeling heavier? Or are you feeling the first sign of stress on your shoulders? Try to identify the core experience that has been triggered. Exactly what was the trigger that has made you felt extremely stressful in that situation? Are you feeling helpless or hopeless? Now, as you experience this stressful memory, take a deep breath and say relax and be calm. Continue breathing slowly, deeply, rhythmically. Be relaxed. Now take some time and try to analyze the questions that I am going to ask right now. Question number 1. What am I really worried about when I was in that stressful situation? Try to find the answer. All the answers of every queries are present within you. Try to get the answer then. Second question. What am I really afraid of? Next question. Why does this make me angry? See what answers are coming. Now ask that what are the basic characteristics of this feeling? Is it because lack of focus or impatience, anxiety, or just because of sleeplessness? Once again, notice where you feel the stress in your body. What was the core experience that has been triggered? Once identified, recognize the fact that it is a triggered experience and it just belongs to your past. So now mindfully separate yourself from that specific core experience and that younger, less resourceful you. Feel as if that feeling inside your body is getting out from your body. Now again, ask yourself that how can I best handle the situation? how can I best handle the situation? Now allow ideas, images, feelings, solutions to surface. Relax. Next time, whenever you will feel stressful, you will just close your eyes, take few deep breaths so that you can be at alpha, and then you will just simply ask this question, that how can I best handle the situation? Then you will notice what feelings, what solution images, what positive thoughts are coming to your mind. Then you just have to open your eyes and take proper action. Relax. It's time to come back to the present moment. I will slowly count 1 to 5. By the count of 5, you will again open your eyes. You will be wide awake, feeling fine, in a perfect health, feeling better than before. 1, 2, you are slowly coming out. 3, 4, 5. Eyes open, wide awake, feeling fine, in a perfect health, feeling better than before. Feel as if you are waking up after a 1 hour of long, healthy, rejuvenating sleep. So how was the meditation? I hope the steps are clear to you, right? If you still have any confusion or doubts while doing the meditation, feel free to reach out to me. I will mention all the contact details of mine below. Keep meditating, keep smiling, better and better. This is Debalina signing off.